Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can delete temporary website data taking up your storage space on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on the Samsung Internet app. Next, tap on the menu key at the bottom and then tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Sites and Downloads. Then tap on Manage Website Data and then tap on the Delete button. Now you could choose all at the top to select all the website and delete them all at once, like so, or you can delete them individually one by one. And finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your viewing web page, or tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.